concrete wood floors? Why wouldn't I just go with real wood? What's the benefits of having concrete? Well, today I'm going to explain to you why you should choose concrete for your wood floors over real wood. The answer just might surprise you. So let's jump right in. The combination of concrete and wood has become increasingly popular due to its ability to create striking designs that blend raw, monolithic elements with warm, natural materials. Architects often combine concrete and wood to create a harmonious balance between the weight and solidity of concrete and the warmth and texture of wood. By introducing wood alongside concrete, you can achieve a delicate contrast that enhances the overall design. You can experiment with concrete to achieve innovative textures and finishes, breaking away from the traditional monotony. Concrete is the most used substance on the planet, and its demand is expected to increase significantly by 2050. Concrete innovations have come a long way, such as fiber-reinforced concrete and air-purifying concrete. Adding fibers such as steel, glass, or synthetic enhances concrete's resistance and durability. Some concrete formulations can absorb pollutants from the air, contributing to cleaner urban environments. While wood is renewable and aesthetically pleasing, it faces challenges. Wood is susceptible to decay, pests, and fire. Sustainable wood harvesting practices are essential to prevent deforestation. Although advances in wood treatment improve durability and fire resistance, creating concrete wood planks involves a combination of techniques to achieve the appearance of wood while retaining the durability and versatility of concrete. Now let's jump into how the magic happens. There's multiple ways to achieve this look. You can use a concrete stamp resembling wood. Using a stamp will give your concrete wood planks the most uniform look. The next two options are very similar. They both use a base coat that provides the background color for the wood grain effect. The texture coat adds depth and mimics the grain pattern of the wood. Where options 1 and 2 differ are 1, you can use a concrete stencil to create your wood plank design, and the other one, you can use a 5-in-1 to score out your wood planks. You can use a chip brush to create knots and grain patterns in the concrete. To stain the concrete, we use a deck pad and soft bristle paintbrushes. The stain enhances the wood-like color variations. Then we apply at least 2 coats of clear sealer to protect the concrete and enhance the wood effect. And those are the 3 options you have when choosing a concrete wood plank floor. Some environmental benefits when choosing concrete over real wood are: concrete wood planks use less cement compared to traditional concrete, reducing carbon emissions. By mimicking wood, we reduce the need for actual timber, promoting sustainable practices. When wood is used in construction, it continues to store carbon, contributing to the circular carbon cycle. By choosing concrete, it is a cost-effective and eco-friendly way to achieve the aesthetic appeal of wood while benefiting from concrete's durability and longevity. Concrete wood planks offer several unique properties that make them a game changer over using real wood. You can combine the visual warmth and texture of wood with the durability and versatility of concrete. Unlike real wood, concrete wood planks are resistant to rot, pest, and fire. They withstand harsh weather conditions, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications. Concrete wood planks can be molded into various shapes, sizes, and patterns. You can achieve unique designs by adjusting the texture, color, and grain pattern. Concrete wood planks reduce the demand for actual timber, promoting sustainable practices. By using less cement than traditional concrete, they contribute to a lower carbon footprint. Concrete wood planks require minimal maintenance compared to real wood floors. Their durability ensures a longer lifespan, reducing replacement costs. They age gracefully, maintaining their appearance over time. Unlike real wood, fire-resistant materials are crucial for building safety. Concrete wood planks can enhance fire protection in both residential and commercial structures. Concrete wood planks do not ignite or contribute to fire spread. By optimizing material usage, we conserve resources and minimize waste. This aligns with circular economy principles. Using concrete wood planks
contributes to carbon sequestration, helping offset emissions from other construction materials. Concrete has low water absorption, making them suitable for outdoor applications. Proper sealing ensures further protection against water infiltration. Concrete wood planks maintain their color over time, resisting fading or discoloration caused by sunlight exposure. Textured surfaces provide good traction, reducing slip hazards even when wet. You can use concrete wood planks for outdoor decks, patios, walkways, and cladding. They seamlessly blend with natural surroundings. So those are the benefits of choosing concrete wood plank floors over real wood and the process of installing them. I hope this video helped you out while researching whether you should go with concrete wood planks or real wood floors. If you enjoyed the video, please throw a like on it. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thank you, and as always, have a great day.